Welcome to EstateIQ, Intelligent Estate Solutions. Meet ELA, the EstateIQ Legislative Assistant. ELA specializes in all things legislation related. ELA has been trained using the Sectional Title Schemes Management Act, Annexure 1, also referred to as the Prescribed Management Rules, the STSM Regulations, and the Community Schemes Ombud Service Act. Ask ELA anything legislation related. You'll notice I've switched into my personal ChatGPT account. That's because this demo is being recorded using ChatGPT Plus with GPT-4o. While free users do have some access to GPT-4o, ELA's full functionality, including accurate clause quoting and legislative logic, is only guaranteed on one of the paid plans. Let's take a look at a few examples. Who can be a trustee? In this example, ELA retrieves from PMR sections 6.1 and 6.4, covering eligibility criteria and disqualification grounds. Next, an example from the STSMA. What's the difference between a special resolution and a unanimous resolution? ELA provides a response based on the definitions from Section 1 of the STSMA. Now, for some practical guidance from the CSOS Act. How do I make an application to CSOS? ELA provides step-by-step guidance based on Section 38 and includes a reference to Section 39. What is the reserve fund and how is it calculated? ELA responds in simple plain English, drawing from STSMA Section 3.1b and Regulation 2 of the STSM Regulations with a breakdown of the calculations. That's ELA, your EstateIQ Legislative Assistant. Ask ELA anything legislation related and get instant answers and simplified explanations of complex legislation. In this demo, we asked varied questions across different areas in legislation in a single conversation. In real-life use, if the topic or focus changes, we recommend starting a new chat with ELA. Next up, the EstateIQ Legal Lookup for verbatim legal quotes.